KOHO, the bank account alternative you've been waiting for? Ever feel like traditional banks nickel and dime you with hidden fees? Do all those banking terms leave you scratching your head? Maybe you're a young adult just starting your financial journey, or perhaps you're looking for a more streamlined way to manage your money. Well, fear not, financially frustrated friends. Today, we're diving deep into KOHO, a challenger in the financial world that's shaking things up with its no-fee spending and savings account. But before we get down to the nitty-gritty, the big question is, can KOHO truly replace your traditional bank account? Let's unpack KOHO, explore its features, and see if it fits your financial needs. KOHO, a fintech twist on traditional banking. First things first, KOHO isn't actually a bank. It's a fintech company, meaning it uses technology to offer financial services. KOHO specifically provides a prepaid MasterCard and a linked spending and savings account. So, how does it work? Think of it like this: KOHO acts as a middleman between you and your money. You load funds into your KOHO account through various methods, like Interac e-transfer from your existing bank account, a debit card transfer, or even setting up direct deposit from your employer. Then, you use the KOHO MasterCard to make purchases anywhere MasterCard is accepted, just like a regular debit card. KOHO's perks: fee-free freedom? KOHO boasts a big selling point: no monthly fees. That's music to the ears of anyone tired of getting hit with surprise charges. Plus, KOHO offers features that might entice budget-conscious folks. Their app allows you to set goals, track spending in real time, and even provides roundups that automatically stash away your spare change into your savings account. KOHO versus banks, the great account showdown. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Can KOHO truly replace a traditional bank account? The answer, like most things in finance, is it depends. KOHO shines for everyday spending and budgeting. The app is user-friendly, the fee-free structure is appealing, and the auto-savings features can help you reach your financial goals faster. However, KOHO has limitations. For instance, you can't deposit checks directly into your KOHO account, and unlike a bank account, KOHO doesn't offer features like overdraft protection or loans. KOHO, the ideal user. So, who is KOHO perfect for? Young adults starting out, budget-conscious individuals, and those who primarily manage their finances digitally might find KOHO to be a great fit. If you crave a simple, no-frills way to manage your everyday spending and saving, KOHO could be your new financial BFF. KOHO, not a one-size-fits-all solution. However, if you rely on features like check depositing, overdraft protection, or access to a physical branch, KOHO might not be the complete answer. In that case, a traditional bank account might be a better choice. The key is to assess your financial needs and see if KOHO aligns with your financial goals. KOHO, the final verdict. KOHO offers a refreshing take on financial management. Its fee-free structure, budgeting tools, and user-friendly app make it a compelling option for those seeking a streamlined way to handle their money. However, its limitations mean it might not be a complete replacement for a traditional bank account for everyone. Ultimately, the decision depends on your individual needs and banking preferences. KOHO could be the perfect sidekick to your existing bank account, or it might be the primary financial tool you've been waiting for. So, is KOHO the right fit for you? Do some research, explore your options, and see if KOHO can help you unlock a simpler, more rewarding financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.